How to transfer money from GCash to Shopee Pay. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can transfer money from GCash to Shopee Pay. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the GCash application in your mobile device. Now once you're on your home page, tap on the option as transfer from this interface. Now under bank transfer, look for Shopee Pay. If you are not able to find it there, tap on view all option. After you tap on view all, tap at the search bar and the search for Shopee Pay. Now once you choose Shopee Pay, and you'll be taken into next page where you have to enter the details. So first of all, you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer. And under that, you have to type in the account holder name. And again type in the account number. After that, it will ask you to enter the email address. If you want to enter, you can enter. If not, you can skip that. So once you have provided all the bank details of the recipient, now simply tap on send money button at the bottom of the interface, and after that you have to verify it through the OTP, and once the verification is complete, you have successfully transferred money from GCash to Shopee Pay. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.